The business model framework, introduced by Alexander Osterwalder, is a powerful tool for understanding, improving, and scaling your business. It is first and foremost a business language that everybody on your team needs to understand and speak fluently. Mastering the business model framework will bring and keep you all on the same page as you drive your business forward. So how is my 2-day business model management workshop different from the business model canvas masterclass offered by Alexander Osterwalder himself? I offer my 2-day business model management workshop exclusively for business development, marketing, sales, and other revenue generation professionals in the information technology industry. All the case stories we use are from our industry, and all the other attendees that you will meet and work with are from our industry also. I have added a few twists, covering issues related to using indirect channels, as this go-to-market approach is extremely popular in the information technology industry. We also discuss the challenges you face when you take your business global, which all information technology companies do much faster than in other industries. I have then cut out all the history stuff and all the comparisons with other strategy tools, so that we can spend all the time working with the business model canvas, the value proposition canvas, the business model environment, and how to translate these concepts into activities and results. After the workshop, you can return home and implement the business model framework in your daily work. Do you need more information to decide if you should attend? Then visit our website, where you can download the full syllabus and read what others have to say about the workshop. I am looking forward to seeing you and working with you and your teammates on my next business model management workshop.